Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to understand one important thing. So as of now through a UI we are uploading a files and we are loading the data into a table, right? Let's understand how internally the whole things are working. So suppose if I'm selecting any of the files from here, this is the files I have uploaded. Now internally how it is working, whenever you will upload any files, these files will be saved into a stages. What is a stage that we will understand in the next video, but as of now you can understand stage is nothing but it is kind of the storage location where your files will be saved. So this is the files you have uploaded, right? These files will be saved into the stages only. Now after that you are selecting a database where you want to create a table. So let's select this. Let me give the table name where I want to load the data. So this database table I have selected. Now you have uploaded a file. Now what is happening? That file is saved into the stages. That one of the location you can understand where your file is saved. Now how internally it is happening? We are using a copy into command. So we are doing a copy into this table, and from where we are reading the data, we are reading a data from my stages. From these stages it is reading a data and it is saving the data into the particular table. So this is how internally the whole things are working. Before moving to the next step, it's very important to understand the how overall internal things are working, right? And in next video we'll understand about the stage concept. There you will get more clarity, where we will discuss how the files are being saved, and from there how we are doing a copy into the multiple tables and all. I hope you got high level idea how internally the things are working in a UI when you are using a load data command.